In this video, we enjoy a half-day port in Grand Turks, where we go snorkeling and get up close and personal with some stingrays.
We're Rich and Robin.
And these are our midlife adventures.
Living in and out of our midlife van.
Been a little rainy this morning. We're headed to Grand Turks. And hoping for a little sun. Man, didn't open that door. Still got about an hour and a half, I think, or more, 2 hours maybe. Oh, but I do see some land off in the distance. Our visit to the port of Grand Turks didn't start until noon, but we made the best of it by booking a boat trip while on the island. We have arrived in Grand Turks and we are going to go on a catamaran and go snorkeling and look for some stingrays. The island is 1 mile across and 7 miles long. Pretty small island. Hoping the sun comes out a little bit more. It was raining earlier. But either way, we'll have a great day.
Grand Turk. Regal Princess is safely secured alongside her berth, and we can now receive clearance from the local authorities for a guest to proceed ashore.
Grand Turk was where John Glenn splashed down in 1962 after his 3 orbits around the Earth in Friendship 7. Along the beach people to the boat. This guy's about to miss the boat. Though the water was crystal clear, the depth of the snorkel location made it so that the fish were harder to see deep below the water. Our next stop was not too far on the other side of the ship, on a little island. As the boat pulled up to the island, we could already see the stingrays swimming along the shore.
Get over there, Robin. Give him a kiss, okay?
That's on there. Oh, here comes the other one. What do you think?
That was pretty cool. She is salty.
She is salty. That one's Rebecca. So Rebecca the Stingray and Julie the Stingray. Julie was bigger,
Yeah, where'd Julie go?
but Rebecca was salty.
That was pretty cool.
We are in the Grand Turk and took a snorkel trip, and then that snorkel was going to give us a tank.
Give us things, right? That's
So we can see the stingrays.
two big stingrays.
Rebecca and Julie.
I mean, literally, like, listening, right?
Yeah.
Super soft. Like,
Super
just like a
soft.
rubber.
Yeah, but very salty.
Yeah.
Grand Turks is a neat little island that we can't wait to explore more another time. Brown. Cheers, Rich.
Cheers, Robin.
Grand Turks, Holland America, Regal Princess. Pretty cool spot. Join us next time as we enjoy another sea day before heading back to Fort Lauderdale and exploring some of the Everglades before our flight back to California.